Guys, are you ready for a super cool, unique game? All right, it's a bit creepy at times, but if you like the gaming industry, stay tuned to this video. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Let's get straight in. Guys, it's tl.games. The links are going to be down below. As always, this is an innovative blockchain-based Unreal Engine 5 MMO at the junction of RPG and strategy. You know, on the Polygon chain, we are having some massive success right now. Unreal Engine 5 is huge. Now, an overview of the website. We've got the links all on the right-hand side. Please only use trusted links. They will be down below as well. We've got the main menu, the About project, the backers, the features, the NFT shop, the roadmap, and the About Us with the news, FAQ, white paper, and marketplace up on the top. So looking about the project, it's Thunderland, the project that unites classical gameplay and aspects of the innovative blockchain technology. It's a virtual game and metaverse set in the dark fantasy genre. The lands are worlds where the ringing gold and cold steel play their part in equal measure, right? This spooky little Thunderland vision that I'm getting already. Based on play-to-earn mechanics, players will be able to farm resources, stake their NFTs, get TNDR tokens to increase their final profit from the game. TNDR is the native token, it's the Thunderlands token. The universe provides a unique gaming experience through a combination of traditional meta game and blockchain mechanics. Okay, what backers do we have? You can see a whole lot of them here. Please get their names. Pause the video right now and Google them, do your own research. The features, what features do we have? All right, you can research on the global map, so gather squads and go on journeys together, expeditions, 4-time strategies on all global maps. Battle other players, so if you want to battle me, make sure you let me know in the comments what your name is, what your username is, and I will battle you on there. The 4-time strategies, who can explore, expand, exploit, and exterminate. Create your own universe, which is super cool if you've got that talent, if you've got that skill, and if you've got that desire, you can actually create your own Thunderland. And territory development and resource farming. If you're just here to try and make some crypto, if you're here to try and resource and farm, this is for you. We have the NFT shops. You can actually buy weapons, armor, manufacturers, and lands and castles. All you gotta do is click marketplace. Let's have a look what it comes up with. Once you click it, it goes to market.tl.games. The links will be down below, and it will tell you all about the INO, the initial NFT offering. So Mint Pass is your guarantee of effective gaming profit and true freedom. We are just getting through stage 1 right now. So we are just starting. This is how we've got this super quick onto your radar. Okay, a unique Mint Pass in USDT is 500, 340 USDT, 80 USDT, and 170 USDT. So at the top, 1,500, there's 4 left. Okay, 26 out of 30, and there's 79 out of 100, 909 out of 1,000, 946 out of 1,000. Super interesting what you get with the different ones. All you got to do is connect your wallet, buy that. It will ask you to connect your wallet. I do recommend MetaMask, please. And you can either do it on the app or the desktop. Now, if you keep going down, you can see we've got 100 USDT for the Orcs Lair Mint Pass, the Crystal Quarry Mint Pass, the Dragon Mines Mint Pass as well. Please do your own research. And the sold out mystery boxes. Okay, they've been sold out. That was a super fun launch. And it tells you a bit more what you get. So owning a Mint Pass, you get a special role in the community. Super cool. Receiving a closed newsletter with the best offers. Getting discounts on whitelist on the future. So any future NFT projects, you're going to get whitelist and discounts. NFTs items will bring you forward, speeding and pump up your character. And of course, with your NFT, you'll be able to earn TNDR and make profit without staking. Please do your own research. Only use the trusted links down below. Now it's George's top tip time. Okay, when you're on this marketplace, you need to know that you can purchase a pass, take armor and weapons, and play clicker, but artifacts actually do more damage and you earn coins faster, so keep your eyes on them. Okay, you can then exchange the coins for crystals, and the crystals are already exchanged for a TNDR token. So remember, the artifacts do more damage, and you can actually earn so many more crystals very quick. Just log in and let's get underway. Now for the bit you've all been waiting for, I'm going to click the play now button and show you what we got. It's going to download it for you. Okay, it's going to download into your Chrome. Once that's downloaded, click it open and you can start getting ready to play this incredible game. Now let's take a look at the Twitter. We have @Thunder_lands. It's got 53.3 thousand followers. Okay, please only use trusted links, and they've got their Telegram link popped up there as well. Super big engagement. They've got trailers of the game right here. We'll take a quick look. It looks super cool, right? You do need to be involved in this project, in my opinion, because this game I see taking over a lot of people's interest. So give them a follow, let him know from this channel, give us a shout on there, and let us know in the comments once you've done it. So there we have it, everyone. That's the game. Super cool. If you loved it, hit the like button. If you enjoyed it so much, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell to let us know that you want to be notified. And until the next one, have a blessed day and I'll see you there.